Hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter, week 51. It's a strange one this week because I've not really been at BTHQ. In fact, I haven't been at BTHQ at all. I have been in the Netherlands, visiting Utrecht Fabric Market and also going into Amsterdam for a couple of days, which has been lovely. So there will be some videos going up on my channel to show you those things. So I'll keep that separate. I'm going to pop some footage in here of Saturday because Maddy was in the studio teaching her so many skills cushion class, and there was 4 wonderful cushions created. So I'll let you see those now.
Good morning, it is Saturday and I've got 4 lovely ladies coming today to do some cushions. So let's see how we get on, shall we? Okay, so we have 1 square down and we are fluffing up our chenille distressing. So it is going fluffy. I really like that fabric. And here's another one. Distress. Let's have a look. All very fluffy. That's coming out really nicely. Time to move on to quilting. We've got a little ruffle of robins. Have we got ruffles, ladies? We've got gathers. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like the flowers. That's pretty. Oh, I'm really looking forward to seeing these finish now. Cutting out our shapes from our reverse applique to reveal what is underneath. Sarah, what shape have you got?
Christmas tree.
Got a Christmas tree with some penguins. Dawn, how are we getting on with yours? Oh! Yeah. We've got a letter D for Dawn. This one is in the making, but we are going 3 layers here. We got 2 cushion covers.
Bit of competition.
Just a bit of competition, yeah, friendly competition. So we've got 1 Christmassy. I love the gingerbread fabric. And those houses look really cute in the pleats. Lovely. And we've got lots of floral. We got 2 more cushions in here. What have we got, ladies?
Still cutting the threads.
You're still cutting threads. So we've got blues, we've got yellows, we've got these beautiful blue tits. What else have we got? Some daisies. And we've got extra special on this one. We have 3 layers of reverse applique. Are we happy?
Very.
Yeah, pleased. John, what have we got?
We've got lots of pink.
Lots of pink, yeah.
Lots of pink cuddled threads.
We've got a really cute floral pocket though. That's really sweet. That's come out really nice. Let's have a look. There we go.
Don't look too closely at the edges.
And today is very bright. This here is the beginnings of a Halloween wreath, which I want to make. I'm potentially going to do as a Zoom class in the run-up to Halloween, or maybe even on Halloween itself, because I'm not sure that we're going to be out trick-or-treating. And then I brought home a box of bits and pieces like rotary cutters, pens, scissors, that kind of thing, some thread, some clips, and obviously my trusty overlocker and my sewing machine, and I am good to go. Well, I've had a really busy day, productive day. I've made lots of masks. These 2 are my friend's Claire's. I've made 4 for my dad. These are all Clarice Cliff inspired prints because he collects Clarice Cliff pottery. I don't know whether he's actually even going to wear them, but I thought they would make a nice prezi. I've made a unicorn one to go with my unicorn dress. I've made myself a Lilo and Stitch one for Euro Disney. Myself a Mickey one, and one for Little Miss Mac as well. And then a final Little Mary Poppins one for my friend's niece. So they are all presents all for me. So a very productive day all round. So very short but sweet BTHQ banter this week. Tomorrow I am planning on filming my fabric haul from Utrecht and editing together some of my videos. So there will be 3 videos I think in total. There'll be Utrecht, Amsterdam, and then my fabric haul. So they will go up on the channel over the next few weeks, probably once a week, maybe midweek, on a Wednesday possibly, and then BTHQ Banter will continue as per. Next week again will be very similar to this week, another week of quarantine for me, and Maddy is teaching another one of her So Many Skills cushions, so it will probably be pretty similar. But I will be starting to create my home sewing space next week, so I will try and include a little bit of that into BTHQ BTHQ Banter, but I'm also thinking of doing a separate video, so watch this space. Thanks very much for watching. As always, do remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Those numbers are going up. We are almost at 10,000. It's so exciting. I'm really looking forward to sharing the rest of my sewing and crafty journey with you. I'll see you soon. Bye.